Unlock your dreams with our hassle-free bank loans. Whether it's for new home, car, or business venture, we've got you covered. Low interest rate and flexible repayment options available. Apply now and make your aspirations a reality. Under the microfinance loan, we offer micro-enterprises loan. First is the Microfinance Cap 1. Microfinance Cap 1 is for business capital. Second is the Microfinance Cap Additional. Additional business capital that members can avail even if they have existing microfinance savings 1 loan. Third is the micro housing loans for house improvements or renovations. And last is the micro agri loans for agriculture related businesses.
We also offer SME or small and medium enterprise loan. For Santo members who needs a working capital of more than 300,000 pesos, we offer a SME working capital and SME investment. We also offer other loans. First is solar loan. This is tailored for financing the installation of solar energy systems. Health loan. This is to cover medical expenses including healthcare services, treatments, and procedures. Salary loan. This is extended to employees based on their monthly salary. Educational loan. This is to cover expenses related to education. Mobile or cell phone loan. This is provided to finance the purchase of a mobile phone or cell phone. Lastly is calamity loan. This is offered to individuals or households affected by natural disasters or emergencies.
Salamat naman, makakairam ko pala ng ganito karami sa card bank. Thank you, Mari, ha? Malaking tulong to sa negosyo ko.
Uy, baka di mo bayaran yan ha? Baka takbuhan yan ha?
Babayaran ko to, syempre. Tulong to sa negosyo kayo, mababa pa yung iba. Ay!
Start saving smart with our bank. Enjoy competitive interest rates, flexible account options, and peace of mind knowing that your money is safe and secure. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or a big purchase, we've got you covered. Open an account today and watch your savings grow. We also offer other savings such as the Pledge Savings. First, Gateway to Card Bank Incorporated Ownership. Second, compulsory savings of 50 pesos a week with the option to do voluntary deposit. Third, maintaining balance of 100 pesos or 15% of loan principal. Fourth, minimum ADP of 500 pesos to earn interest. And last but not the least, with 2% interest rate per annum.
Kayang-kaya Savings Account, the regular savings account. An easy way to start savings, minimum initial deposit of 200 pesos, minimum average daily balance of 500 pesos to earn interest, and with 1.5% interest rate per annum. Matapat Savings, the ATM Savings Account. Minimum initial deposit of 100 pesos, minimum average daily balance of 500 to earn interest with 1% interest rate per annum. Matapat Savings can conveniently perform other bank transactions such as bills payment, reloading of mobile phone load, and domestic and international remittances. Easy to check account balance at any time with mini statements.
Maagap savings, minimum initial deposit of 100 pesos, minimum average daily balance of 500 pesos to earn interest with 1.5% interest rate per annum. Automatically become a member of Maagap Savers Club. Freebies are given as incentive to savers depending on savings balance in a given period. Tiwala Savings. The purpose of this account is to encourage savings for different occasions and necessities, such as old age benefit, education, purchasing vehicle, house and lot acquisition, with maturity terms of 35, 65, 95, 185, and 365 days. Minimum initial deposit of 10,000 pesos and maintaining balance of 10,000 pesos.
Uy! Tagumpay Savings Recurring Deposits with signed agreement or contract, high return upon maturity of 5 years term. Minimum fixed deposit amount of 100 pesos for microfinance clients and 200 pesos for non-microfinance clients, with 1.5% to 6% depending on the maturity term. Checking account. It has checkbook facility ideal for business payment transactions. Must have existing kayang-kaya or pledge savings with initial and maintaining balance of 5,000 pesos.
With Teller account, you only need to have a minimum initial deposit of $100. And with that, you can earn a minimum of $500 average daily balance to earn with 0.25% interest rate per annum.
Walang imposible kung ito ang iyong nais. Kaya mong makamtan ito dahil ika'y may pusong totoo.
Remittance. Experience seamless money transfers worldwide with our bank's remittance services. Whether you're supporting family abroad or managing international transactions, rely on our trusted network for swift, secure, and cost-effective transfers. Sending money has never been easier. Trust us, and we will connect you with your loved ones wherever they may be. Kaya huwag nang mamangla dahil ang Cardbank bukas para sa lahat.
With our reliable remittance services, you can securely transfer funds to your loved ones anywhere in the country. Enjoy low fees, fast transactions, and excellent customer services. TrueCard Sulit Padala, an in-house domestic remittance service where clients can enjoy sending money through Cardbank and received by their loved ones in any Cardbank or Card SME Bank branches nationwide. Also, we have True Domestic Remittance Partners, a domestic remittance service in partnership with local remittance service providers. Clients can now send money through Cardbank and receive it in any GCash, outlet, Cebuana Luwilier, or vice versa.
Hello, ma'am?
Hello na, may papadala pala akong pera para sa iyo.
Ayun, sakto ma'am. Kailangan ko ng pera ngayon. Na-short kasi ako sa gastos ko sa school.
Kasi yung system ng Gcash yun down, hindi ko mapadala pero check ko ulit mamaya kung okay na.
Okay ma. Tawag ko na ako sa'yo para ma-remind kita.
Sige, bye-bye. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Na-check mo na yung sa Gcash?
Oo na, down pa rin hanggang ngayon. Paano kaya to?
Ma, di ba member ka ng Cardbank? Narinig ko kasi sa friend ko na may international remittances sila eh.
Ganun ba? Nagpa-member nga pala ako noon nung nandun pa ako sa Pinas.
Pwede mo i-try doon ma'am. Pwede kang magpadala through their partnership tulad ng Globe Telecom and Video Reveal.
Sige, dyan ko na lang ipadala yung pera para mas sure at safe.
Opo, mama. Thank you, ma. Ingat ka palagi.
Halina at makisa! Dahil ang Cardbank, bukas para sa lahat.
Kahapon, ngayon, at magpakailanman.
May kasimplihan, integridad, kakayahan, kahusayan. Diwa ng pamilya, kababaang loob, isinasa pusong tunay. Kasapi at pamilya'y nakasiguro. Sa ipon at puhunan kami ay umasenso. Programang kalusugan, edukasyon at kabuhayan, serbisyong alay sa